Have you ever felt like your brain is constantly foggy, unable to focus, or overwhelmed by stress and anxiety? You wake up with a list of tasks, but your mind keeps wandering. You struggle to remember the simplest things, and even small distractions feel magnified. What if I told you that the solution isn't some complicated strategy or expensive supplement, but something incredibly simple and powerful? Just moving your body, even for a few minutes a day, can fundamentally transform your brain. Exercise doesn't just sculpt your body or improve your endurance. It literally rewires your mind, making it sharper, faster, and more resilient. Today, we're going to dive into the neuroscience behind movement and discover how regular physical activity can boost memory, increase focus, and even reduce stress and anxiety. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your brain thrives when your body moves and how you can harness this knowledge to upgrade your mental performance starting today. Most adults struggle with a constant barrage of mental challenges. Work deadlines pile up, personal responsibilities weigh on you, and social commitments demand attention, leaving little space for mental clarity. You're not alone if you feel exhausted at the end of the day, or find it hard to retain information. Stress, anxiety, and lack of focus are rampant, and conventional solutions like caffeine or multitasking often make the problem worse rather than better. Imagine your brain as a garden. Without care and attention, the soil becomes dry, weeds take over, and nothing productive grows. Now imagine that exercise acts as a kind of magical fertilizer, stimulating growth and creating a fertile environment for new connections to flourish. This is exactly what happens when you engage in regular physical activity. It triggers a cascade of biological events that enhance your brain's capacity to learn, remember, and focus. At the heart of this transformation is a phenomenon called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself, forming new neural pathways in response to experiences, learning, and environmental stimuli. In simpler terms, your brain isn't fixed. It adapts and changes throughout your life. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to stimulate this adaptability. When you move, your body increases blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and essential nutrients. Simultaneously, exercise prompts the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that acts like fertilizer for your neurons. BDNF encourages the growth of new connections between brain cells, which strengthens your cognitive abilities and improves memory. Think of it as opening new roads in a city. The more connections you build, the faster and more efficiently signals travel across your brain, enhancing your mental agility. But the benefits of exercise extend far beyond memory. One of the most noticeable changes many people experience is a significant improvement in focus. Have you ever left the gym after a workout feeling unusually clear-headed, able to concentrate effortlessly on tasks that previously felt daunting? That's not a coincidence. Physical activity helps regulate neurotransmitters such as dopamine and norepinephrine, chemicals that play a crucial role in attention and executive function. These neurotransmitters enhance your ability to filter distractions and maintain sustained focus. In practical terms, this means that after consistent exercise, reading, studying, or working on complex projects feels easier, and your capacity to solve problems increases. For adults juggling multiple responsibilities, this boost in focus can make a dramatic difference in both productivity and overall life satisfaction. Exercise also serves as a natural stress reliever. When you engage in physical activity, your body reduces levels of cortisol, the hormone associated with stress, while simultaneously increasing endorphins, which act as natural mood enhancers. This combination not only alleviates the immediate feelings of anxiety, but also strengthens your resilience to future stress. Imagine facing a high-pressure situation at work. A brain conditioned through regular exercise reacts with calm and clarity rather than panic or overwhelm. Over time, this translates into a more balanced emotional state, reduced anxiety, and an increased sense of mental control. Even brief, consistent workouts of 20 to 30 minutes several times a week can lead to measurable improvements in mood and stress management, demonstrating just how potent exercise can be as a tool for mental wellness. So, what types of exercise are most effective for stimulating these cognitive benefits? The good news is that you don't need a gym membership or hours of intense training to see results. Aerobic exercises, like walking, running, cycling, or swimming, are particularly effective at increasing blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain, which stimulates neural growth. Strength training, often overlooked for brain health, also provides significant benefits by promoting the release of growth factors and improving overall brain connectivity. Activities that combine coordination, balance, and strategies such as yoga, dance, or martial arts further enhance neuroplasticity by challenging your brain to adapt to new patterns of movement. The key is consistency. Even moderate activity performed regularly creates a compounding effect on your cognitive abilities, strengthening your memory, focus, and emotional resilience over time. Let's translate this into practical terms. Suppose you dedicate just 20 minutes a day to brisk walking. This simple activity increases blood flow to your hippocampus, the brain region responsible for memory formation. Simultaneously, BDNF levels rise, encouraging new neuronal connections. Over weeks, you'll notice that recalling information becomes easier. Mental fatigue decreases, and your ability to focus on complex tasks improves. Add in to 20-minute strength training sessions per week, and you further enhance your brain's plasticity, while simultaneously boosting mood-regulating neurotransmitters. These small, achievable routines compound into remarkable transformations in cognitive performance and mental well-being. But what about the skeptics who argue that exercise mainly benefits physical health? The reality is that the mind and body are inseparable. Cognitive improvements are often the first noticeable changes when people integrate movement into their daily lives. Students report better test performance, professionals experience heightened productivity, and even adults over 40 notice improvements in memory retention and problem-solving skills. These cognitive benefits are supported by an ever-growing body of scientific research. Studies have consistently shown that individuals engaging in regular physical activity perform better on memory and attention tasks, and even display structural brain changes, such as increased gray matter volume in critical areas involved in learning and executive function. Essentially, movement literally reshapes your brain, creating a foundation for sharper thinking and greater mental agility. One of the most compelling aspects of exercise as a cognitive enhancer is how accessible it is. Unlike interventions that require special equipment or medications, physical activity can be adapted to your schedule, preferences, and fitness level. A short, brisk walk around your neighborhood, a 15-minute bodyweight workout at home, or a weekend hike can all produce significant neurological benefits. The versatility of exercise makes it an ideal solution for adults with busy lives, enabling them to improve mental clarity and focus without dramatic lifestyle upheaval. Furthermore, pairing exercise with mindfulness practices, like meditation or deep breathing, amplifies the impact on stress reduction and mental resilience, creating a holistic approach to cognitive enhancement. It's also worth noting how exercise positively impacts sleep, another critical component of brain health. Regular movement helps regulate circadian rhythms, allowing you to fall asleep faster and achieve deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. Deep sleep is essential for memory consolidation and emotional regulation, which means that by simply moving your body during the day, you set the stage for more productive, focused, and emotionally balanced mornings. When sleep improves, focus sharpens, stress diminishes, and learning capacity increases, creating a reinforcing loop of cognitive enhancement. As you integrate these insights into your life, consider the broader implications. Exercise doesn't just improve short-term focus or memory, it cultivates long-term brain resilience. This is especially crucial as we age. Because neurodegenerative conditions, like Alzheimer's disease and cognitive decline, are linked to reduced neuroplasticity and diminished blood flow to the brain. By establishing a consistent exercise habit now, you're effectively creating a protective mechanism for your brain, preserving memory, focus, and mental sharpness for decades to come. It's a proactive strategy that pays dividends in both daily performance and lifelong cognitive health. Now, you might wonder how to start if you've been sedentary for a long time or struggle with motivation. The key is small, consistent steps. Begin with simple movements you enjoy, whether that's walking, dancing, or bodyweight exercises at home. Set achievable goals, like 3 20-minute sessions per week, and gradually increase intensity or duration. Celebrate small wins and track your cognitive improvements. Notice when remembering details or completing tasks becomes easier. Motivation grows as you experience tangible results, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of mental and physical growth. Finally, remember that the benefits of exercise for the brain extend beyond the individual. Improved focus, memory, and emotional regulation enhance interactions at work, home, and in social environments. You become more patient, attentive, and resilient, which positively influences your relationships and professional life. The ripple effects of consistent movement touch every area of your life, turning a simple habit into a powerful tool for personal transformation. In conclusion, exercise is far more than a way to sculpt your body or burn calories. It is one of the most effective strategies for optimizing your brain. By stimulating neuroplasticity, enhancing neurotransmitter function, reducing stress, and improving sleep, movement reshapes your mind, making it sharper, faster, and more resilient. Whether you're seeking better focus at work, improved memory, or relief from stress and anxiety, integrating consistent physical activity into your routine offers measurable and lasting benefits. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your brain transform in ways that feel almost magical, backed by the undeniable power of science. So, take action today. Go for a 20-minute walk, try a short strength training session, or dance to your favorite music. Pay attention to how your focus sharpens, your memory improves, and your mood lifts. Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed insights into optimizing your mind and body. Your brain is capable of incredible growth, and the journey starts with the simple, powerful act of moving your body.